Hello students, very good morning. We are learning the chapter heat. In the previous class you have learnt about the two different methods of heat transfer, that is conduction and convection. Today we are going to study about another important method of heat transfer, that is radiation. In the method of conduction or convection, we need a medium through which heat is transferred. So in the conduction and convection, the heat is transferred through medium, right? Whether it may be a metal, so whether it may be air. So in that method, the heat is transferring, right? But in case of radiation, there is no requirement of medium. Radiation means it is a method of heat transfer that does not require a medium. Here the medium is not required. Any metal or any substance is not required to transfer the heat. The heat is directly transferring to the other substance without any medium. Okay, it is a method of heat transfer that does not require a medium. It is called as radiation. Students, we know that we get heat from the sun, right? But in most of the space between the sun and the earth, there is a little material medium. Okay, so there is a particle medium. So how is the heat from the sun? It is transferred to the earth. Okay, by the process called as radiation. Okay, with the help of this radiation, the heat will transfer from the sun to the earth. So, as I told, radiation means it is a method of heat transfer that does not require a medium, right? So, it does not require medium means, so yeah, we are not using any medium in the form of rays, electromagnetic radiations, okay? So, they are called as rays. So, from that rays, the heat will transfer to the earth. That is also called as solar radiations. So, the heat from the sun reaches us through the method of radiation. The earth absorbs some of this heat and gets heated. Okay, so by this radiation, our earth will get heated. Okay, just like the sun and all hot bodies radiate heat. The higher the temperature of a body, the more heat it radiates. Okay, if the body of a temperature is high, it will the more heat it radiates. And the objects which absorbs this heat becomes hot. And people sitting around the bonfire receives heat by the process of radiation only. Okay, the people who are sitting around a bonfire receives heat by the process of radiation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸನ್ನಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದರೆ ಸನ್ ರೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ರೀಚಸ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹೀಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಫೈರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಾನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಫೈರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಸುತ್ತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಡೋದು, ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅ ಬಾನ್ ಫೈರ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ heat by the process of radiation only. Even the color of a body is also responsible for the amount of heat is absorbed. Okay, let us see the picture. So maybe your mothers are telling that don't wear a black t-shirt or black clothes during summertime. Why? Because this black color absorbs the more heat when compared to the light colors. Okay, so this black absorbs the more heat, hence it make our body even more heat during summertime. But this white color will not absorb more heat compared to the black color clothes. So by this we can say that the color of a body affects the ability to absorb heat. What we can do? So in the winter time we can wear a dark color clothes, right? So light color clothes in the summer. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ದ heat much, but dark colors will absorb. But what we can do in the winter time? In the winter time we can absorb black color clothes. Why? Because as I told, it absorbs the more heat. So when you wear these black color coats or black color clothes in the winter means, so you will get heat, or you will be in the warm condition. So let us see some of the practical applications of radiations. Okay, you might have know about this room heaters. Okay, room heaters which is used to heat the room in colder regions like Himachal Pradesh or Jammu Kashmir. There the temperature will be low. To heat the room and to make a temperature, normal temperature, they'll use these kind of uh, room heaters. Okay, these room heaters have a mirror behind the heating coil. Okay, ಈ heating coil ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಮಿರರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, so which reflects the heat and radiated to the front. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಈ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So when it get heated, so which reflects the heat and it will radiate to the front. This is one of the application of radiation. Next one is solar cooker. So solar cooker have a black metal sheet inside. As I told, black will absorb more heat, right? So they may be folded, they may be fixed with a black sheet, or they can paint this box with the help of a black paint. Okay, so they'll paint a black color inside this, and this black black color which helps in maximizing the heat absorption from the sun. Friends, so we prefer cooking utensils which are blackened from outside, right? So that they absorb more heat and cooking can be done in less time. This is also one of the application of radiation. So even in the refrigerators, the back of the refrigerators are colored dull black. Okay, so that they are able to radiate heat in a better manner to the surrounding. This is also one of the application. Once again I'll repeat, the back of the refrigerator, this is the back of the refrigerator, so they are colored dull black. Okay, so that they are able to radiate heat in a better manner to the surrounding. How can we prevent loss of heat using a vacuum flask? So vacuum flask means it is a device used to keep hot liquids hot and cold liquids cool for a longer time. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಟೀ ಆರ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಆರ್ ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. So that is vacuum flask. So it consists of a double walled container of a glass or metals. You can see this is made up of two walls. Then the air between these two walls, okay, inner layer and outer layer or outer covering, so the in between that the air will be present. The air between these two regions is removed and the opening will be sealed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇರೋ ಏರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, so they will create a vacuum and at the tip they will close it or they will seal it. So the walls are silvered and the vessel is put in a metallic case and separated by some plastic support. Okay, the mouth of the vessel is closed by a cap made of an insulating material like plastic. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ insulating material, it will not transfer the heat from one end to the other end or one object to the other object. You know that plastic does not transfer the heat, right? And the vacuum between these walls, the vacuum present between these walls of the flask are reduce the loss of heat by conduction and convection appreciably. Okay, so here there is no transfer of heat is taking place by conduction or convection. This is because so both conduction and convection requires a material medium to transfer the heat. ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾದರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಏರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ this is because both the conduction and convection requires a material medium to transfer the heat. Well, the polished or a silver surface which reflect the heat. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So the silver surface reflects the heat back. and reducing the radiation. Due to these above reasons, the vacuum flask retain a temperature of the liquid kept in it for a longer time. Okay, so the reason is this. Okay, yakendre, so they have removed the air. So because the air may transfer the heat, right? Maybe convection or by conduction. So we have removed the air. So by this the hot food can be stored for longer time, and cold food also can be stored it for longer time. This is about the topic radiation, and I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.